Hello my lovelies, hope you've been well. I'm aware the lighting might not be the best because I'm losing daylight quickly and it's very gloomy, but I really just want to share this because I'm very excited. So this is gonna be my first Sailor fountain pen ever. I've been wanting it for ages and ages, but I can never justify forking that much. But recently we are able to get Amazon Japan stuff into Australia, so this one is actually much more affordable than the other ones that I've seen, so I got it. So it's my first Sailor ever. I'm actually very excited. Half of me is a bit scared because if this turned out to be better than all the other fountain pens that I have, then I'm in very big deep trouble because I would want more maybe. But anyway, this one is the, I think, Sailor Meigetsu, like one of the Shikiori ones, and it's that color. I'm hoping this is not a knockoff because the price was actually quite good. I'm just gonna look over any of these to see if they seem quite legit. I think hopefully they are, with all the booklets and stuff. I'm not sure if they included a converter actually. I hope they do because I do like converter more. So they included 2 cartridge. I think this is probably just the black one. I can't read Japanese, but that probably says black or whatever. And this is the pen. I'm so excited. Oh, it's sealed. It's sealed, everybody. So we have to snip it off. The listing also said it's medium fine, so I'm hoping this is medium fine. If not, I'm going to... Oh, that looks legit, doesn't it? $14K MF, so it's medium fine. So I can't believe I actually got my first Sailor. I've always been like, oh, it's way too expensive for me, but I found this for such a good price. It ended up, usually it's over $300 Australian, but this one was actually just a bit over 100. So that's still in my range of fountain pens because my twist bees, some of the rose gold ones goes over and up to 120, so it's still my range. But I'm nervous because if I like this too much, I might want more and it's not going to be this price. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is the 14K, and if I open it up, please have a converter, please. Oh no. Okay, I guess I just have to have the, I was gonna ink it with like a gray ink, but I guess I'll just use this up. Or can I use my Kakuno, because it is Sailor as well. Oh no, it's Pilot, so it's probably a different one. Okay, yes, so I guess I'll just use this until it's finished, and then I will put another color on it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Which side is it? I think it's this side, right? Like that? Actually should like at least look at the instructions, but yeah, it's the right one. I guess I just have to buy a converter then. Oh, they also have some for the other style, because this is not my style. It's the other number. Anyway, so excited. Even though I can't ink it with like a nice color, this will have to do until the black runs out, and then I can use another color. Okay, let's just try it on one of these paper. Oh, I'm so nervous, just in case I like it too much. Does it take a while for the ink to flow down, or did I not like break it enough? I think it's already enough. Maybe I'll just have to be more patient. This is actually lighter than I thought it would, but I actually really like light pens. So, oh, is this medium fine? because I thought it's smaller than this. This feels very wide, isn't it? Maybe I'm an extra fine girly actually. I really thought that it would be smaller than this. It feels more thicker than my Kaweco, even though my Kaweco's EF. Actually, it's almost the same. I expected it to be thinner than that, but I actually don't mind it. But you know what? They do have a little bit of give, but I don't know if it's this paper, because it does have a little bit of a texture. Maybe if I try the back of my planner, because this is Tomoe River paper. It still feels a little bit scratchy, but maybe I think I did hear that Sailor has a little bit of a feedback. I'll get used to it though, because now that I've written a bit, it feels quite smooth. Maybe it just needs a little bit of getting used to. It feels a little bit scratchy still. But it's a beautiful pen, look at that. I cannot believe I actually have a Sailor in my hands. Look at that. I don't know if it's focusing, but look at that. I'm so excited to put in more colors on here. The ink flow is really smooth. I wonder if it's because it's Sailor's own ink, but oh my god, this is super smooth. I like it. So yeah, that's my first Sailor ever. It's very, very exciting. So far I've only been getting Gin House, and it's funny because I have one that I made the combination. Actually no, I bought it like this. I think it's a dupe, but oh my god, now that I have it side by side and can compare it, they look almost identical. The clip's a little bit bigger on this one, and obviously you can tell it's a little bit more cheaply made, and this part is a little bit bigger, but they're the same size. Like, how do they get away with this? Like, how? But anyway, it's nice to actually have the real thing now, because I've only been getting Gin House. I'm just so scared of getting hooked onto Sailor pens because they are quite pricey. But I know the hype now. It's very smooth, even though it has a little bit of scratch, but I think it's also the feedback. But I think I can get used to it because it's not too bad. The scratchiness, the feedback is not too bad, but I still cannot believe this is my first Sailor. I do kind of want to try the other nib sizes, but we'll see. I'm pretty happy with this. It's a beautiful, beautiful pen. Okay, I'm gonna write some more on this, but I will link it down below if you're interested, because if you get it from Amazon Japan, the price is much better than if I get it from, I don't know if it's because this is probably one of like their regular version that it's a little bit cheaper. Well, not a little bit, it's a lot cheaper. I don't know if it's because this is probably like the regular version or something like that, but it's beautiful anyway. I really like it. I really like the combination of the color. I don't know what to say anymore, but I just really, really like it. I'm so happy to have it in my hands, and I can't wait to actually write some more things with it. I'm so excited. So yeah, I will leave you there. Thank you so much for sharing in excitement with my new pen. It's a little bit of a short unboxing because there's only one pen, but I just feel like bringing you guys with me through the experience because it is my first one, and I just want to film a really quick kind of like unboxing and first impression kind of thing. So this is for me as well, so in the future I can look back and see how I reacted to having my first sailor, but it still feels kind of unreal. Looks so beautiful. The gold is so nice. I don't know, but the gold doesn't feel really gold. It feels like a little bit more like bronzy, even to like maybe a little bit rose goldy, or maybe the gold is just very yellow. I don't know, but I really like it. That's it. That's the video. Gonna leave you now. I'm just rambling too much, but thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, mostly my content are journaling based and some fountain pens and some inks, a lot of college journaling. So if that's what you're into, then there's a lot of those videos in the channel for you. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing so I can share my excitement with you. And I hope you stay safe, take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.